Hello and welcome back. This time we are going to unbox this Harry Potter Castle collection that I ordered online. So let's try to look at what is inside. So this is a complete collection of 7 books. And then first we'll try to see if there were any physical damages on the cover of the books before we go to the actual books itself. So earlier I observed this part was damaged, but this is just minor, and the others were just like indentions of the cover were made. Maybe this is during the delivery of the books. So again, this was ordered online, and the books looks seems okay, and the cover seems to be in good condition. So let's try what else we can Okay, I placed the books on its side for us to be able to look under the package. I see there's a small rip, but it seems okay. I'll show that to you later. So the corners are a little bit bent, but again, that's minor. And this is the small rip that I was saying earlier. So aside from that, there are no other damages to the cover of the books. So everything looks to be in good shape. In order to avoid any more rips to the cover, try to unfasten this part of the books gently so that it will not rip on the corners anymore. So you can see that the books are in their respective plastics, their individual plastics. And this is paper bound or paperback. So again, this part has already a small rip. Be careful, and we'll try to do it simultaneously with the other side so that it will not add additional damage to the cover. So these are the books, and as you can see, the back part of the book forms the castle of Hogwarts. Okay, so try to look at the contents. They're good. Everything is in good shape. Let's try to get one of these books. I think it's going to be very hard because they are uh, packed closely to each other. I'll try to get this one. Okay, let's see. I think they don't want to go out of the box. So this is one example of the books contained in the package. So again, this is a paperback book, and try to look at the back of the book. So okay, and let's try to get another one and compare it to this particular book. Okay, so if you're interested, this is available online, especially right now during this pandemic. They're offering they're offering these series in discounted prices. So try to get your copy right now online. Okay, so they're great.